Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your PlayStation 5 microphone. First, ensure your microphone is securely connected to your PlayStation 5 controller or directly to the console. Double-check that the microphone's mute button isn't activated and its volume is turned up. A quick test on another device, like a phone or computer, can confirm if the microphone itself is working correctly before we dive into system settings. Next, let's dive into your PlayStation 5 sound settings. Go to Settings, then Sound, and select Microphone. Make sure the correct input device is chosen, whether it's your headset or the controller's built-in mic. Adjust the microphone level. A good starting point is usually between 70 and 80%. Don't forget to perform the Adjust Microphone Level test to ensure clear audio input. If the issue persists, try restarting both your PlayStation 5 console and the controller. Sometimes a simple reboot can resolve minor glitches. Also, check for any available firmware updates for your PlayStation 5 controller and install them. If possible, test with a different controller or a separate headset. This helps determine if the problem lies with your current hardware or the console itself. For more advanced troubleshooting, you can try rebuilding your PlayStation 5's database through safe mode. As a last resort, consider resetting your PlayStation 5 to its factory settings, but remember this will erase all data. If, after all these steps, your microphone still isn't working, it's best to contact PlayStation support. They can provide further assistance or arrange for a repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.